So those are things that are really important if you want to actually uplift your Shopify store. Okay, so in today's conversation, I want to talk to you about bulk listing on Shopify, the top 10 software tools that help you make it happen fast and easy. Don't go anywhere. You're going to love today's conversation. I guarantee it. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sturdy Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about bulk listing on Shopify, and we have the top 10 software tools that can help you do that quickly and easily. Number 10, we have a Joe Lister. Our score is 7.5 over 10. This is kind of cool software tool. We love that. With Joe Lister, you can list to eBay and Shopify in seconds with one click. Okay, what we love is that this software tool automatically populates your eBay and Shopify listings with images, descriptions, and product info. So this is not just about uploading the content, but you also have the multimedia that goes with it, your videos and all that kind of stuff. Okay, you can publish hundreds of listings in just one click. This is really wonderful. And what we love with the software is that you can also you can synchronize quantities and rate price automatically. Okay, again, everything happens within seconds, or in some cases within minutes. So this is really good. And another feature that we love with Joe Lister is that you can auto fulfill and update quantities. Okay, so when your items sell on eBay and Shopify and the payments is received, guess what? Joe automatically passes the order to Amazon for shipping. Okay, and it also uploads actually the tracking numbers to eBay and Shopify. So this is really important. So with this software, you have automatic fulfillment. Okay, they do support variations. They track uploads, and this is really good. You can see the pricing on the screen right now, and you can try this software for free for 2 weeks. Number 9, we have Ecom Our score 8 over 10. And when you think about Ecom you want to think about an all-in-one solution. Okay, you have everything you need to list on Shopify. Not a problem. You can list new products fast. You have an easy list management system. You can grow multi-channel sales right off the bat. This is really good. And the bottom line here is that with Ecom guess what? You can effortlessly manage your Shopify products. This is really good. Okay, you can make changes by using your dashboard. There are features on your dashboard that allows you to do changes. If you're launching a new product or you're trying to upgrade your existing product catalog, you can do that. Okay, and what we love also is that with Ecom not only can you have high converting product listings, but you can also sell products in more places. This is just wonderful. So this is not just for sales on Shopify, but also on other marketplaces. The bottom line is that Ecom helps you do everything, including bulk listing on Shopify, very quickly and very efficiently. Number 8, folks, we have Nimble. Our score 8 over 10. So when you think about Nimble, I want you to think about a software tool that allows you to have a multi-channel business strategy, not just on Shopify, but beyond Shopify. Okay, you can bulk list to Shopify, and from Shopify you can automatically sync stock across channels. This is really important if you're having an omni-channel or multi-channel strategy, right? You can manage listings centrally in Shopify. All right, this is really good. You can import orders from your other marketplaces. You can promote your products on social media. Keep using all of your other apps. This is good because the integration here, guess what? The integration is perfect. We love that. And with this software tool, you can list your Shopify products on multiple channels. Okay, we're talking about Amazon, eBay, Etsy, WooCommerce, Facebook Shops, Stone Envy, and Store Envy rather, and PrestaShop. Okay, you can promote your products on social media, because the bottom line is you want to gain visibility, right? You want to gain visibility, you want to gain backlinks on your online store. This is great. And you can automatically stock sync for Shopify, and you can prevent overselling. This is one thing that Nimble does very well, is that it helps you prevent overselling. Okay, and does it also save time. This is really important to save time. So what are the key features we love with this software tool? You set your own pricing. You can edit centrally in Shopify. You can import orders into Shopify. You can grow your business by selling more in more places. This is really good. And in terms of pricing, you can see the pricing on the screen right now. Number 7, folks, we have a Seller Champ. Our score 8.5 over 10. When we think about Seller Champ, what we love with Seller Champ is that they have one-click integrations. This is really good. They have one-click integrations with all your marketplaces, shopping carts, and service providers, okay? And by doing this, it helps you actually scale and grow quickly. So they do have a bulk lister feature. This is really good. So you can list products in minutes. You can scan barcodes, upload files, or import from another channel. You can effortlessly list thousands of products super fast across multiple channels, including Shopify. Okay, you develop new revenue opportunity. We love the fact that they have an intelligent assistant that makes listing across marketplaces a breeze that makes listing across marketplaces a breeze. You can scan actually your item's barcode or bulk upload a file and let Seller Champ do the work. So what we love with this software tool is that you have a constellation of features, okay? Very good features. They will auto-fetch full product data, including description, features, multiple photos, weights, dims, item specifics, variations, and so on and so forth. You can use their quick snap mobile app to take photos, create bundles, kits, and easily customize product data for each selling channel. And what we love with this Seller Champ is that not only can you do inventory sync, you also have multi-channel fulfillment. This is really good, okay? And in terms of, and so this is an all-in-one solution. In terms of pricing, you can see on the screen right now, here is the pricing. Number 6, folks, we have here Skubana. Our score 8.5 over 10. I love that name, Skubana. 8.5 over 10. And so Skubana helps you do way more than bulk listing on Shopify, but we just want to focus on their Shopify work first. So with Skubana, what you're doing is you're synchronizing inventory, you're synchronizing customer order, you're synchronizing purchase order, inventory, cost, and profitability data in one central place. Think about that, especially if you have a store that's growing. If your Shopify is just growing like crazy, you want to have a tool like Skubana because it helps you actually centralize and put some efficiency into your operations, okay? What do I mean by that? You have a real-time bulk inventory management and listing on Shopify and other channels. You have rapid integrations. Okay, so we're talking about integration to Shopify, integration to other marketplaces. You are able to manage complexity. Okay, you are able to erase redundancies. This is really important. And what we love with Skubana is that it does the whole thing. It actually brings all integrations together very easily. Okay, so you have all channels in check. You have cross-channel reporting with detailed data on revenue, order, and units sold. You can respond to new orders rapidly and accurately. You have real-time syncing to maintain control as your sales volume increases across multiple channels. Okay, and what's really good with the Skubana also is that you can grasp all of your inventory in a single view and update data to quickly reflect on all your channels. Okay, you can bundle and track. You can speed up fulfillment. So this is really good. The pricing you can see on the screen here. This is the pricing for Skubana. Number 5, folks, we have Geek Seller. Our score 9 over 10. So when you think about Geek Seller, I want you to think about a software tool that constantly evolves. Okay, they're really good when it comes to bulk listing on Shopify, but they also help you with quantity management. Okay, you can synchronize quantities between marketplaces. Okay, so you never lose sight of your inventory, your stock at any point in time. They have quantity rules. You can control the flow of inventory levels. So if you have low stock, you have alerts. So they have low stock alerts. You have order management, not only in terms of how you manage your orders for all connected platforms, in terms of UPS, FedEx, USPS, DHL, among others. And you do all of these things. Check this out. You do all of these things from a single panel, okay? They integrate over 100 carriers and provide USPS Commercial Plus pricing, the lowest available. You can track shipments. This is really good. You have product management. You have bulk edit. You can bulk edit your data. You have analytics, bundles and kits, And we love the fact that you can create rules to automate tasks. Okay, they have automation rules in this embedded in this software. With Geekseller, I want you to see right now on the screen. Here is their pricing. You can always call them to customize the pricing for you, the code that they have for you. Okay, they do have a 2-week trial, free trial, and they do have a cancellation policy. Number 4, folks, we have Zentel. Our score 9/10. So when you think about Zentel, you're thinking about excellent all-in-one solution when it comes to bulk listing on Shopify. Okay, you can launch to Amazon, Walmart, Shopify, and more in minutes. You can actually what we love is that with Zentel, they do have an AI powered PIM tool. So they have artificial intelligence powered PIM tools that sync and format your Shopify listings according to each marketplace's requirements, letting you list in a few clicks. Okay, this is really good. You can sync and manage your inventory. You can customize your listings by channel. This is really good because you are in control, and that's what you want. You want to be in control. You can edit the copy, images, and price of any listing without affecting how it looks on another channel. Okay, you can manage multiple fulfillment methods. This is really good, and by doing that, guess what? You are gaining total visibility over all of your fulfillment partners, from FBA to your 3PL. 3PL standing for your third-party logistics. Okay, so the bottom line is that if you have been thinking about expanding, but you're not sure where to start, Zentel can help you. Okay, let's say you have tested basic multi-channel software, but you were not impressed, and you are ready for something more solid. You can use Zentel also. And if you need to work more efficiently, this is also a good software for you. Okay, so the main features of this software include Shopify bulk listing, marketplace integration, order management, multi-channel publishing, channel analytics, inventory management, data import and export, third-party integration, data synchronization, customizable templates and reports, content management. You can see the pricing on the screen right now for Zentel. Number 3, folks, we have Sellberry. Our score 9.5/10. So when you think about Sellberry, you want to save time and make money while doing your bulk listing on Shopify. Okay, this is really good. So you basically are saving time. Okay, don't spend hours on product managing quantities across sales channels, then customizing product information for Shopify versus other marketplaces. Okay, and manual listing onto a new channel. You don't do that. So the bottom line here is that keeping track of stock quantities by hand takes a lot of time. You know that. I know that. On top of that, it will lead to mistakes. Everybody knows that. So human errors are something you cannot prevent. They happen. They do happen. Okay. So you're basically trying to automate things here with Sellberry. So if you want to if you're looking to expand to Shopify or to a new channel from Shopify, okay, and you are just tired of doing manual product transfers, you can do bulk edits with a Sellberry. Okay, what we love here is that the Sellberry allows you to prevent revenue loss, to prevent countless hours to make categorical product updates. And if you're finding it difficult to manage multiple sales channels separately, then you need a software like Sellberry. Software tool like Sellberry. Okay, in terms of pricing, you can see on the screen their pricing. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sorted Kiwi Show. We are still having a conversation about bulk listing on Shopify, the top 10 software tool to help you do that easily and quickly. Okay, we are talking now about the Sellbrite for Shopify. Number 2, our score 9.5/10. So what we love with this software tool is that this is the easiest way, in our view, for Shopify and Shopify store owners to list and sell the products on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, and more. Okay, remember, this marketplace is expanding all the time, so you have no way, you cannot waste time doing things automatically, especially if your store is expanding. If you're scaling, you definitely want to automate things. Okay, and what we love with this software is that you can list your Shopify products onto the marketplaces quickly and easily. You can bulk list on Shopify. You can bulk edit on Shopify. You can sync product and inventory changes to your listings automatically. Things happen automatically. This is the great thing here. Okay, you can control all of your inventory quantities from within the Shopify admin. You can fulfill marketplace orders from Shopify alongside all your other orders. You can keep using all the existing apps that help you run your Shopify store. What's up with that? That's just wonderful. So you can see that here you have a variety of tasks that are done automatically by this software tool. So everything you need to grow a multi-channel business on Shopify, Sellbrite for Shopify has it for you. Okay, so this is really good, and the good thing is that the software is constantly evolving. Okay, and you can bulk list. This is fantastic. In terms of pricing, you can see on the screen here, that's the pricing. Number one, the best of the best in our view when it comes to bulk listing on Shopify. We are talking about LendWorks. Our score 10/10. So when you think about LendWorks, I want you to think about the best software tool when it comes to bulk listing, when it comes to inventory management. Okay, and what we love is that their software actually helps you scale your Shopify store, it also allows you to connect to your to over 70 marketplaces, not just Shopify, but also 70 marketplaces. We're talking about Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and more. Okay, and we love there are some features that we love with this software tool. You have multi-channel listing, bulk listing on Shopify, order management, insights, inventory management, shipping management, catalog creation. This is really good. Okay, so with LendWorks, you're constantly automating your operations. You can integrate your commerce technologies into one central system. The centrality of things is really good. You can connect multiple channels into a single selling and fulfilling process. You can connect major carriers and fulfillment services and integrate with your own technology stack. This is really good. Okay, and in terms of pricing, you need to call them to book a demo. There is no pricing information available on the website. You got to call them up, but the bottom line is they do have a standard plan, an advanced plan. They have LendWorks Business, which is ideal for medium-sized businesses that needs, let's say, growth and customization. And if you need something higher, you can go for a LendWorks Enterprise package. Okay, and the bottom line, and unfortunately, they don't have a free plan or trial period. You just have to give them a call, book a demo, and if you're interested, you just buy the software. I just want to have a quick conversation in general. So when we talk about bulk listing on Shopify, it's really important to understand that you really want to pay attention to a few things, right? Because imagine having to manually create and update every single product listing and inventory count for every single sales channel, not just Shopify. This is just crazy, right? That process will be tedious and error prone. Nobody wants that. So bulk listing on Shopify or on any other channel automates the process for you and allows you to sell more but work less. This is what it is, because using software, you can manage your products and presence on all of your marketplaces through your Shopify store. Okay, and this sort of software allows you to integrate and automate your inventory management on one easy to use tool. This is really important. So bottom line is what? Bottom line is you are selling more, you are increasing efficiency, you are reducing the human error, you are focusing on growth, and that's what you want, right? Because the bottom line here, if you're able to do all of these things together, and if you are able to do them properly, you are elevating customer satisfaction, and that's the key word. The key word is customer satisfaction, and this is what you want to actually target. And so how do you choose this sort of bulk listing or multi-channel listing software? Well, you need to think about a few things. Okay, you want to ask a few questions. What is the payment model? How user friendly is it? Is it user intuitive? Is it intuitive? Is the interface really very easy to use? Okay, what features does the software have? What channels and business solutions does it integrate with? Okay, those are things you have to think about. What types and sizes of businesses use it? Okay, what do existing customers have to say about it? You can go on Trustpilot, for example, or online to read some reviews about the software, or you just go on Yelp or other platforms where customers are allowed to give reviews. The bottom line is you want to collect as much intel as possible before actually buying the software. Okay, do extensive research prior to committing to this sort of a bulk listing, Shopify bulk listing software or multi-channel listing software in general. Okay, and start with an internet search, browse company websites, and gather all the information. Contact the company and set up a consultation. Sometimes they want you to book a demo. This is really good. And you want to compare your experiences with the trials and choose the multi-channel listing software that is great for you. Before I close to this conversation, check out this e-commerce solution evaluation approach. We do have a strict methodology on this show when it comes to categorizing, reviewing, and rating bulk listing software for Shopify. Check this out. Okay, in today's conversation, I share with you the top 10 software tools for bulk listing on Shopify. Number 1, Lineworks, 10 over 10. Number 2, we have Sellbrite for Shopify, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, we have a Sellberry, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have Zentel, 9 over 10. Number 5, we have a Geekseller, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have a Scubana, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have Sellerchem, 8.5 over 10. Number 8, we have Nimble, 8 over 10. Number 9, we have Ecom Dash, we have 8 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, we have Joe Lister, 7.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your assistance. I really am. For your assistance, for your attention. I will speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.